Time for another recipe here on Real Nice Guyana, my friends. Real Nice and Molly here. Today we're going to be making stewed chicken with beans. And for this recipe here, we have our chicken there. We're going to be using tomato paste, some kidney beans for this recipe is usually used, salt to taste, some scallions, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, celery, onions and garlic, and of course pepper to taste. Alright, so let's get into this stewed chicken with beans. So to begin here guys, Molly's gonna chop the onions here, pepper seasoning. So Molly has chopped the seasonings here guys. We have the scallions, the onions and the celery here. So she's gonna pound the garlic and the pepper here together. Of course you can blend this if you like guys. So we have our garlic and pepper crushed here. So now Molly's gonna go work on the chicken there. So we are cooking a small, one of those smallest chicken you can find, probably about 1.5 pounds or somewhere around that. And like with everything else, we had a request for this as well. Finally getting to this one. So as you know, the beans that's used in this stewed chicken and beans is kidney beans, right? That's the beans that's usually used in this. Goes very nice, tastes yummy. So chicken is all cut up. Time to wash now. Okay guys, so as you know, as I said, we are using just a small chicken here, about 1.5 pounds. So if you're gonna use a bigger chicken, if you're gonna cook a lot of chicken, you're gonna have to add some more seasoning that we're adding here. All right. So she's adding a bit of salt there to wash the chicken now after she's at the end here. Okay guys, so we have everything ready here now and we're ready to cook our stewed chicken. So we have some hot oil here. So Molly's gonna start here with the seasonings. So you're just gonna bring out the flavors from your seasonings here, from your onions and celery and scallions. So this is now the crushed garlic and pepper. So this entire dish here is going to be cooked on a medium heat guys. Most of the time our dishes are cooked on a medium heat, yes, except for when we specify it you need a high heat or a very low heat. So most of the time it's going to be in a medium heat, alright? And you can smell all the flavors from these seasonings here now, it's so strong and nice. So she's going to add the chicken here now. So our seasonings was just in there for about 2 minutes, a little bit over 2 minutes. That's our tomato paste and salt. That was the seasoning. Gonna add some black pepper. So we're now just gonna let this chicken fry up a bit here, guys, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay guys, so once we've cooked our chicken here, it releases juices and dry down a bit again, which is about 10-12 minutes. We're now going to add our kidney beans here, and now she's going to add that there. Okay guys, so after we added the beans there about 2 minutes or so, Molly's now going to add the water here. So it started boiling already there. That's because she added hot water, not cold water, alright? So you want it to continue cooking and finish faster. While this is cooking, you can put some water to hot on a separate burner and add it when you're ready. So that's it now guys, we're gonna let this cook here. We're gonna cover that and let it cook. So it's been a few minutes guys, so we're gonna check on this stewed chicken and beans here again. And that's looking yummy. Okay guys, so from the last time we checked here, we just gave this about a couple of minutes more. This stewed chicken and beans is ready here. This is done. So here is our stew chicken with beans here, my friends, and it looks very delicious, as you can see. So if you like this recipe, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Click the notification bell also. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.